Hey, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a junk sock tutorial. Yes, a junk sock tutorial with all of the materials to make these socks shine and glam. So let's jump into it. So today we'll be making some bridal shower socks that will be going in my big sis bridal shower basket that I'm creating for her. So let's jump into our materials. So when creating the junk sock vision, I tend to try pre-place all of my designs and charms in the spots that I want them to lay or that I feel they should lay. So it'll give me a better visual of what it may look like. So that's what I am in the process of doing now. Because since we're using a hot glue gun, once you apply that glue to anything that you're working with on these socks and it dries, it will be permanent. So we have gotten our paper off of our iron-on patch. Now I'm going to apply some hot glue around the border of our iron-on patch. I am going to apply this and allow this to cool off about a second or so before I apply it to my sock. With doing this, this helps the glue set into the sock better and doesn't create a gooey mess with the glue still being hot. So I already have pre-laid a majority of my charms and my patches that I want to apply to these socks. So I want to speed this video up so you guys can see the design come to life. So sit back and enjoy the design content. Okay, you guys, so I had to slow the video down because this is my box, my magic box where all the razzle dazzle happens. So here is our first sock, all customized and made. We used some customized charms. We used some iron-on patches. We also went ahead and added some customized safety pin charms. So now I am in the process of adding some 3D pearls. And I'm just going to add these to the socks with a little bit of hot glue and just press them onto our socks. This puts that elegant last minute touch onto the socks. If you guys are enjoying this content, please make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thank you. And here you go. Our junk sock for our bridal basket is fully done with our 3D pearls added. And here is the set complete. What do you guys think? Do you think she'll love them? I'm loving them already. A junk sock bridal shower listing will be added to my Etsy account for anybody who wants bridal shower socks done. So make sure to tell your friends to tell their friend and support your girl. All right, now it is time to do her basket. I am just going to apply some iron-on word patches to our black basket to give it that bride feel and theme. I have already pre-purchased a couple of items that I think that she will love for her own personal use. So we are going to pack and seal this basket with all of the goodies. And here's our basket with our words on it. Let's fill it up. Gotta make sure we secure those socks, so we're putting a plastic poly protection bag over it. And here you have it. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. As you guys know, I do a lot on this channel, so help your girl out, support your girl. Follow, share, like, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time.